In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your wires transfer delayed problem. There are 10 ways, or actually, there are 8 ways you can solve this problem. I'm going to go ahead and go through them. The first thing you want to do is check your transfer status. Go to the activity in your Wise account or app to get the latest and reason for the delay. You want to simply look for the status and updates. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you have verified your details. Make sure that the recipient name matches their bank account, their IBAN or SWIFT codes are correct, and their address are also valid. If that is not the case, it might be because of the security checks. Wise may need to review your transfer for security, so it might take a little time. If there are any emails, you can simply go ahead and respond to them. The other thing you want to do is simply check the bank and country processing time. Simply go ahead and call your bank for this. If that is not the case, ensure that your payment was received. If it is already transferred to them, but it still says delayed, make sure that you check in with the recipient. If that is not the case, you might need to contact the support of Wise team, or if none of it works, then you might need to cancel and start a new transfer or just wait for a couple of days. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.